Organico Ketones. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I teach tips and tricks on basically organic chemistry and some other part of physical chemistry or any other part of chemistry. So if you want that, you might just want to stick around. So thank you. Today's video we're going to be looking at the degree of unsaturation. So and there's a formula for that, and the formula that we're going to be using is written already. It is the rings plus the pi bond is equal to C plus 1 plus number of nitrogen over 2 minus number of hydrogen over 2 minus number of halogen, which is represented as X over 2. So we start right now. So in this formula we are going to be knowing the number of, so it's going to be like a value that comprises of the number of rings and the number of bonds. So we are going to start right now. So let's take a look at benzene. Benzene has C6H6. So C, which is our C that we wrote here, is going to be 6 plus 1. We don't have any nitrogen atom here. Sorry, I might just want to cancel this. This is 6 plus 1 minus 6 over 2. So that gives us 6 plus 1 minus 3. And if you do that, you are going to get, because 6 plus 1 is 5 minus 3, it's going to give you I think I'm making a mistake. It's going to give you 4. Yeah, sorry, 4. I'm going to get 4. So 6 plus 1 minus 3 is going to give you 4. So if you look at the structure of benzene here, we have one ring. This whole thing is one ring, and 1, 2, 3. That's the number of rings. So number of pi bonds. This is the ring. This whole structure like this. So we have one ring. And if you check this 1, 2, 3, it's the pi bond. So we have 3 pi bonds here. So that means the formula is actually correct. So let's look at the number 2, 18. Okay, if you check that, we have carbon atom, that is 2 plus 1. We don't have nitrogen, we don't have halogen, we only have the hydrogen also. So 6 over 2. So this gives us 2 plus 1 minus 3, and that is 0. Because the degree of unsaturation is 0. So let's move to the third one. Yeah. So before we start, let's count the number of pi bonds we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means we have 4 pi bonds here. So let's count the number of rings. 1, 2. We have only 2 rings. So we have 4 pi bonds, 2 rings, and that will be giving us, if we add this together, that's 6. So that means our answer must be 6. So let's try it out from the formula that we are using. So we have the 8 there plus 1. If you check, we have the nitrogen atom there, you see, plus 4 over 2. The next is the hydrogen atom, you see it, so 10 over 2. If you do this, this will give you 2, this will give you minus 5, this will give you 8 plus 1 plus 2. So 8 plus 1, that is 9, plus 2, 11. 11 minus 5 will give you 6. We actually see that we are correct. The 4 pi bonds and the 2 rings is actually correct. So if you want more tips and tricks on chemistry, basically, why don't you hang around, just subscribe, so you can be seeing my videos at least. See you next time. It's your guy, Organico Ketones. Bye.